suspected terror attack has been reported in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag district, where terrorists targeted a police party deployed for Amarnath Yatra duty. One police personnel, identified as Ashik Hussain, has been critically injured in the attack and has now been rushed to the GMC in Anantnag, where he later succumbed to his injuries. Following the attack, security forces have cordoned off the entire area. My colleague Sahil Sohail joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Sahil, a suspected terror attack has been reported. What are the details?
Well, this terror attack was reported in South Kashmir's Anantnag district near Lal Chowk. The police cup was basically deployed for the duties related to Amarnath Yatra, and then in fact, suspected terrorists came and fired upon this police personnel. He was critically injured, although he was taken to Government Medical College Anantnag for the treatment, but there the doctors basically declared him brought dead. Now, after this terror incident, a joint team of security forces involving Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF has cordoned off the area. A search operation is underway at the spot right now. But yes, this police personnel who was in fact performing his duties in Lal Chowk area of South Kashmir's Anantnag district was targeted. There are reports coming in that he was in fact targeted from a very close range, and then he in fact suffered critical blood injuries in that attack, though she was shifted to Government Medical College in Anantnag, which is just in fact at a half-kilometer distance from the terror spot. But he has come to his injuries. As I said, whole of this cordon area is under cordon. Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF in fact, teams are jointly carrying out search operations in that particular area and vicinity, and trying to, in fact, trap and in fact, the hunt for the attackers continues. It's, remember, for first such terror incident in South Kashmir after last year's Pahalgam terror attack.
Okay, all right. First attack after the Pahalgam, and in fact, security had also been heightened in view of the Amarnath Yatra, isn't it, Sahil? We'll come back to you through the day as more and more details coming, and police officials as well as the security officials tell us more details of this attack. For now, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back.